If you saw my video from this summer where I made some swatch stamps. What are swatch stamps? They are these cute little icon stamps you can stamp out and use them for color swatching in your sketchbook or color studies, or just relaxing and having fun with your stamps and your paint. Be sure to stay to the end of the video. I'm going to give you the link to the previous swatch stamp video that I did so you know how this all got started. This video that I did was just the intro because I have many more ideas. In the meantime, I've got 5 more swatch stamp ideas. There are so many different ways to do different types of swatching and exploring with your colors. And here's a few ideas that we probably are all aware of already. You can do it the very simplistic way, such as just scribbling them on your paper, painting them on your paper. You can certainly tape off areas on your paper and then fill in those taped off areas with your paints, such as this. I mean, this is a great way to do it, but there's more ways to do it and there's more fun to be had. So, okay, so we've got the t-shirt, we've got the clipboard, we have the book, and we have the easel, and the basic square, basic rectangle that has a little label area. These are fun. I have to show them to you. I decided to make a rectangle one that was going to have a little label at the bottom that you could write in the name or the color number. So this is what I came up with. And then I had more ideas. I came up with a clipboard. One of the tricky things about the clipboard stamp was that depending on where you paint the paint, it gives a different look for the clipboard. I mean, if you think about it, the paper on your clipboard slips underneath the clip, but it doesn't go to the very top of the clipboard. But that doesn't matter. You can fill it in anyway. Also, when I was carving the clipboard stamp, I kept the circle in the middle of the clipboard, the hole. Most of them have a hole that you can hang the clipboard. And so I kept the circle there dark. I kept that area a positive space just to see what it would look like. And then I decided to remove it. Now, is it the perfect illustration? No, because when I remove the circle in the middle of that hole, then you don't see the back of the clipboard anymore, which is the top. It's kind of confusing, but it doesn't matter. You still get the illusion. You still get the understanding that this is a clipboard and that these are swatches. Does that make sense? I think it does. It doesn't matter. We're just having fun. This t-shirt stamp, it turned out to be a great way to sort of play with different illustration ideas. You could definitely stamp the t-shirt out and then maybe draw in somebody's head and then their arms and their legs and the rest of their body. That would be a fun thing to do. But I was playing with it just for color, and I was trying to think of different t-shirt style ideas that would work. I came up with the book idea. The book one wasn't so great. I don't know if it was the way that the stamp was designed or the way I carved the stamp, but when I ended up doing the book swatch stamp, or just the book stamp, it was kind of disappointing to me. It was kind of a little bit of a letdown, but that's okay. I still like it and I'm gonna keep using it. I came up with an easel, which I thought was really clever because all kinds of things happen on easels. And I have a lot of ideas for that one, so I can't wait to share those with you. Those are going to be other videos, and they're going to be a lot of fun. I have to say, I'm a little obsessed with them. I have so many different ideas for several of these swatch stamps. If you like this idea of using stamps to make color swatches, then you got to check this video out. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.